Welcome back, class. Today we are going to discuss very important question which is based upon the redistribution of the charges. So what is the question? Two similar charged metallic balls placed at a certain distance experience an electrostatic force of magnitude F. If 75% charge of one ball transferred to another, then what will be the magnitude of new force? So I think the question is quite clear. Now let us see the answer. If you see here, I am considering the two similar charge conductor balls which is having the same magnitude of charge Q and Q, and the certain distance in between these two charges is, I am assuming, R, right? So what is the magnitude of the force? So according to Coulomb's law, F is equal to K Q1 Q2 upon R square. So here both the charges are Q, that is why K Q square upon R square. So this value is given, it is capital F in the question. When the charge is transferred, then now we have to find out what is the new charge setup. So if the 75% of the charge transferred from one charge ball to another, then see, if the 75% of the charge is transferred, 75% of the charge is transferred from, suppose, from this A ball to B, 75% charge is transferred. So what is the value of the amount of charge for ball A? So 75% charge is transferred, so the remaining charge is 25%. So the new charge which I am saying, which is the Q1, is 25% or 1 by 4Q. Simple, you can find by the percentage. If the 75% is transferred, only 25%, that means 1 by 4 of the amount of the charge. So which is the Q by 4. And this amount is given to the ball B. That means initially the charge ball B has the value of charge is Q. Now the 75% of the charge is added. 75% means 3 by 4 of the value. So here the Q2 become Q plus 3Q by 4. Initially the charge contains by the ball B is Q and the 75% is added now. So that becomes Q plus 3Q by 4. So the for the second case, the value of the charge contained by this ball B is 7Q by 4. Now we are interested what is the new value of the force acting between these two charges, because already the charges are redistributed, so the value of the force will be changed. So again we apply the Coulomb's law, K Q1 Q2 upon R square. So here the value of K and Q1 this time 1 by 4, which is the charge contained by the A, and 7 by 4 of the Q, which is the charge possessed by the ball B. So after simplification, you will get 7K Q2, 7K upon 16 Q2 by R square. Not it is Q2, it is Q square. Right now? And if you compare with the equation number 1, it is found that is 7 by 16 of F. Right now? So because of this redistribution, the new force becomes 7F upon 16. So our answer is 7F by 16. This is our answer. So the new force become 7 by 16 times of the force which is F given in the question. I hope you can understand the redistribution of the charges. If you have any doubt, you should mention in the comment section. Thank you.